Good morning, YouTube. So this iPhone XS Max, the screen is really expensive. So probably a good idea for someone like me to put a screen protector on it. I think here it costs, like in Canada, 300 bucks to get it fixed if the screen breaks. So screen protectors are kind of a bit of a pain in the butt to install because you have to line it up perfectly. So I have this one here from Spigen, and they have a setup that makes it so simple to put a screen protector on. Premium tempered glass Spigen screen protector. So I'll show you how easy it is to install. Very, very simple operation here. This is a 4-step process. First, we peel this guy out. Then we take this thing and turn it around and put it on the phone. Push on this and pull out. Okay. Obviously with any screen protector, a big part of how successful the install is going to be is how clean you can make that screen. That is really, really, really important. Get this guy as clean as possible. This glass also scratches really easily. I can still see lots of, see, it's good I have lots of light on the phone, so I can still see lots of specks of dust on the phone. Okay, let's use this alcohol now. Okay, watch how quick this process is. Step 1, take this off. Then, put this on the phone. See, it just dropped on the phone. Slide. You can see the little pockets of air there. Hopefully that all comes out. We're gonna wait 30 seconds. Okay, I'll remove this white sticker here. I can do this to get that screen protector to sit flush. You can see those visible air pockets can be pushed out now. So all I'm doing is pushing it down and trying to get all the air out. I had nowhere where I had to actually, oh, I probably did this upside down, didn't I? Now, this should just be able to pop open. See that? Wow, what a system. So now, I just have that top layer. Let me try to get out. There's a big air bubble right on top there. Spot here is not looking good. Okay, I'm gonna pull this out now. Ooh. I did not do a good job because there's a big spot right there. Shoot. That did not work out. As you can see, it has lined up perfectly. And for the most part, it looks pretty good. There's a little bit of air under it that I think would disappear. You can see that right there. See right there. That may disappear after it dries up a little more after 24 hours. Unfortunately, I got a little spot right under there. There's a little dust particle there. So, not happy about that. but it did line up very nicely on both sides. Okay, thank you for watching.